Got the car, got the passenger. Now it's time to get going. I made it to my hotel. It's 1 o'clock here, which means I had about an 18-hour travel day. And I have to get up in 6 hours, check in for my flight the next day. Big show tonight in Rupert, Idaho. 5%, 1/20th of the city is going to be here to see the show. It's almost showtime. Looking forward to it. The show is a success. It's 10 o'clock. We have to wake up in 5 hours and then back on the road. So a successful trip thus far. Uh-oh, that's not good.
What?
On the road again.